If you are tired of scrolling manually within the large Excel spreadsheet, then this video is perfect for you because I'm going to share with you three important tips to navigate within the Excel spreadsheet. Let's dive in. For example, I have this large spreadsheet. You can see it had loads of worksheets all the way across to the right hand side. And what if I want to go to quickly to any specific worksheet? So I will either do manually, or the first technique is right click in between these two navigations and it will open up a window, and wherever I want to go, I'll just go to E15, press OK. It will take me directly to that worksheet. And shortcut for switching between the worksheet is Control page down for going forward and Control page up for going back. So this was the first technique. Let's move on to the second technique. Second technique is if I go to my view tab and then navigation, you can see click on this one on right hand side. You can see it has the list of all worksheet. I can search it from here as well. For example, E20. If I click this one, it will take me to directly to the sheet. So within the presentation to someone, if you quickly want to jump to specific sheet, you can do this method. Let's move on to the last one and my favorite method. The trick is to create the hyperlinks. For example, I'll create the hyperlinks for the first 5 rows, and this one, right click, link, and choose place in this document, and I will choose this worksheet, press OK. It will create the hyperlink, and let me create the hyperlink for 5 of them, and then I'll come back. I have created the hyperlink. Click on this link, so it will take me directly to that worksheet. You can see I'm in E1 now, and if I just go back, go to press E3, it will take me to E3. What else I want? I want to have some go back link as well, where I can quickly go back to the summary worksheet. So what I will do, first I will create the link. So for example, I will say summary, and what I will do, I will create a link and I will go to the summary worksheet, press OK. Now it has created the link back to the summary page. What if I want to do for the all 5 worksheets? So I don't want to do manually one by one. So what I will do, I'll press Ctrl C and then click on the next sheet and hold the Shift key, click on the last worksheet till where you want to paste that link, and it will select all the worksheet in between. So click on the next worksheet and then hold the Shift key and then click on the last worksheet where you want to paste the link. So, and then what I'll do, I'll press Control V. It will create the link for all the sheets. You can see now E1, E2, E3, E4, E5. Click this one. It will take me back to the summary worksheet. So this is how you can easily navigate within the large Excel spreadsheet. Hit the like button if you like this video.